Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best blower resistor is probably one of the most overlooked components in your car, until it fails. A faulty blower resistor can disrupt your vehicle's climate control, leaving you with limited or no fan speeds. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of replacing your blower resistor, ensuring your HVAC system functions optimally, and keeping you comfortable on the road. Number 5. Dorman 973-409 Blower Motor Resistor Kit for Chevy GMC. This blower motor resistor and harness kit is a direct replacement. It directly replaces the original equipment on select vehicle years, makes, and models. This ensures a perfect fit and easy installation. Each kit comes with a resistor and a harness pigtail. These are essential components for most repairs. With everything included, it simplifies the repair process. This product is made to perform like the original equipment. It restores full HVAC operation, ensuring your vehicle's climate control system functions correctly. You can rely on it to bring back the comfort you expect. The product is backed by a team of engineers and quality specialists in the USA. This ensures that it meets high standards of quality and reliability. You can trust this product for its durability and performance. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, use the garage tool. Input your make, model, and trim level to confirm compatibility. Also, check the Amazon Confirmed Fit bar before purchasing. What we like. This kit is a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. It comes as a complete kit, making installation straightforward. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install solution to restore your HVAC system's functionality, this is the one for you. What people say. Installation was simple and my fan now works on all 5 settings. It worked fine on all fan speeds and the harness no longer got boiling hot like the old one that I cut off of the truck. Fixed the AC problem on my 20-year-old truck. The old part came out disintegrated, and although the new part looked a bit different than the old one, all the reading I did and a couple of YouTube videos assumed me that it's the same functionality regardless of different format. Perfect fit and perfect hole alignment for the screws holding it in position. AC works like a charm now. Number 4. Dorman 973-582 Blower Motor Resistor Kit for Toyota. This blower motor resistor and harness kit is designed to be a direct replacement. It matches the original equipment on specific vehicle years, makes, and models. This ensures a perfect fit and easy installation. Each kit includes a resistor and a harness pigtail. These components are essential for most repairs related to your vehicle's HVAC system. It provides everything you need in one package. This kit is made to perform just like the original equipment. It restores the full functionality of your HVAC system. You can expect the same performance as when your vehicle was new. The product is backed by a team of engineers and quality specialists in the USA. You can trust in its durability and reliability. It's built to last and provide consistent performance. To guarantee this part fits your vehicle, use the garage tool on the website. Input your make, model, and trim level. This will confirm compatibility before you purchase. What we like. This kit is also a direct replacement, designed specifically for select Toyota models. It includes everything you need for a complete repair. If you drive a Toyota and need to restore your HVAC system, this kit will get the job done. What people say. This kit was a breeze to install, even for someone with limited DIY experience like me. It came with all the necessary components and clear instructions, making the process smooth as silk. Suddenly, I had control over my blower motor and fan speed again. No more dealing with unreliable or non-functioning settings. This kit breathed new life into my climate control system. The build quality is top-notch. It feels sturdy and durable, reassuring me that it'll last for the long haul. It's also designed to be a perfect fit for select Toyota models, so you can trust that it's compatible. Number 3. A premium blower motor resistor for VW Audi. Are you experiencing issues with your car's fan? This A premium blower motor resistor is the perfect solution. It's designed to restore your climate control system to optimal performance. This resistor fits a wide range of Volkswagen and Audi models. Make sure it's compatible with your specific vehicle before purchasing. Check the product description for detailed fitment information. The reference numbers for this product are RU594, 1K0959263A, and others. Double-check these numbers to ensure it matches your existing part. This helps guarantee a perfect fit. Please note, this resistor is designed for vehicles with manual temperature control. It will not work with models that have automatic climate control systems. Ensure your car has the correct system. Installing this resistor is straightforward. It's manufactured to OE specifications for a direct fit. Simply remove the old one and install this new one in its place. A Premium offers a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. You can trust the quality and reliability of this product. Get back on the road with peace of mind. What we like. This resistor offers a wide range of vehicle compatibility, covering various Volkswagen and Audi models. Installation is designed to be easy, saving you time and effort. If you drive a VW or Audi and want a hassle-free replacement with a guarantee, consider this option. What people say. Easy to install in my 2017 VW Jetta TSI. Works well. My Jetta has the manual climate controls. This item fit perfectly and performs well. It is well made and looks just like the OEM version but with a much lower price tag. Bought this to replace the burned out one in my 09 VW Passat 2.0T. It took about 5 minutes to replace and it's a lot nicer having all 4 speeds on my heater instead of just max. Highly recommend if you need one. Number 2. Replacement blower motor resistor for Honda Pilot and Acura MDX. Is your AC or heating system not working properly? This replacement blower motor resistor is designed to control the rear fan speed. If you can't adjust the air speed, this might be the solution. This resistor is compatible with Honda Pilot models from 2003 to 2008 and Acura MDX models from 2001 to 2006. It's a direct replacement for several part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit for your vehicle. Installing this part is straightforward. You simply remove the old resistor and install the new one in its place. Make sure the part looks exactly like the one you are replacing. The blower motor resistor is commonly located under the center console box on the driver's side. It's positioned beside the blower motor in your Pilot or MDX. This replacement part offers an OEM fit, quality, and finish. All mounting ports and sockets are identical to the factory part. You can save money compared to dealer prices. This product comes with a lifetime warranty. If the resistor fails, simply contact us for a replacement. You can have peace of mind knowing you're covered. What we like. This product is specifically designed to control rear fan speed in your Honda or Acura. It offers an OEM fit and finish, ensuring a seamless integration. If you own a compatible Honda Pilot or Acura MDX and value a lifetime warranty, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to do, cured the fan problem, perfect fit. This kit comes with everything you need including connectors. The harness is a direct fit and plugged in easily. Perfect fit for 2012 Expedition and works great. Number 1. FAERSI HVAC blower motor resistor for Dodge Ram. This blower motor resistor is designed for manual AC controls. It's a direct replacement for various Dodge Ram and Jeep Grand Cherokee models. Please check the description or use the year make model drop-down to ensure it fits your vehicle. Installing this resistor is straightforward. It directly replaces your original HVAC fan blower motor resistor. You can easily access it by removing a few screws on the lower passenger side. The product is made with high-quality materials and meets or exceeds OEM standards. It's 100% tested before shipping to enhance your car's performance. You can trust its durability. This product is compatible with multiple OEM numbers, including 472, 0278, 973020, and more. This ensures it's a reliable replacement for your existing resistor. Refer to the list for specific compatibility. Each product undergoes multiple inspections and tests before shipment. If you encounter any issues, please contact us immediately. We offer free replacements or refunds for quality problems. What we like. This resistor is compatible with a range of Dodge Ram models. It's designed for easy installation, so you can get back on the road quickly. If you drive a Dodge Ram and want a high-quality, easy-to-install solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Fixed the fan only working on high. AC would not blow on certain settings, pretty much only low and high. This part fixed the issue. AC and heat both blow on all settings now. Easy to install, replacing OEM unit on 02 Ram 1500, which only worked on the highest setting. This one still does not work on lowest setting, but that may be something else entirely causing the issue. For the low price this restored function. Installation was 2 or 3 easy to get to bolts under the glove box and clip in a wiring harness, then you're up and running. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.